Welcome to the Linux project version 2, episode 2, how to install Ubuntu Linux. So what you do first, plug in USB flash drive with the Linux ISO on it, and then make sure it's in the computer you want to install on. Go to power and restart. Then I'm going to hit, I think it's F8. I'm going to hit F8. Then I'm going to go down where it says my USB flash drive is called SanDisk 1.26. Enter. And now it boots up to something. Boots up to the Ubuntu Linux thing. Got that kind of sorry. And it's loading again. The thing is flashing there. Try to get this focused a bit. Zoom out. There, it's focused better. Alright, so the Ubuntu thing is up there. Now it's gotta go through its process. So make sure on your computer you got enough space on it. Like I assume it's 4 gigabytes of space. I'm using the computer I used on my first Linux project. So now it's loading more. Alright. So it's booting up to the Ubuntu Linux desktop. I assume the same thing as Linux Mint. It will show. Oh, okay. So it's different. So it's try Linux and install Linux. So you're going to go ahead and install, and the language is English. Install. And here it shows you wireless. Do you want to connect to your wireless network? So I'm going to say yes. Connect to this network. Then I'm going to type in my password. And hit connect. So then it's going to go try to connect it. And it's connected. So I'm going to just click continue on that. And now it's going to say preparing to install Linux Ubuntu. So say you're going to have at least 6.9 gigabytes available space. So this one got to have 6.9. It's connected in it. So let's go continue. And wait till it load. Zoom in. So install Linux alongside. I'm gonna go ahead and select erase disk and install Ubuntu, and then click install now. And now it pops up saying write the changes to disk and continue. This is completely different than Linux Mint. And now here we go again. Where are you? So like I did on Linux Mint, I'm going to say Newfoundland. Newfoundland, Canada. Okay, and continue that. Alright, so keyboard layout thing. English US, English US. Continue, so your name. Let's say, type in my name. Tab that. Pick a nickname or username. Type that. Type in the password you want to use. And require my password and login. Continue that. And now it's welcome to Ubuntu. Now it's copying files over to your hard drive. And the light's flashing on my computer here for this hard drive is going through this process. And I'm going to resume it when it gets to something else. So now it's installing system. So I'm going to resume it when that's done. Now it's retrieving files. This takes a while too. So I'm going to resume it when it gets to something else. So it's checking for packages to install. Downloading language package. It's going to take so many seconds. Okay, preparing. Yep. So this got ready for Office too. So I will resume it when that's done. Alright, now it's running grub install, running update, removing extra packages, checking for packages to remove. There we go. Gotta remove and prepare stuff, a lot of stuff. We'll soon be done this process, by the looks of it. Running post installation trigger. This takes a bit of time as well. This is almost like the installation of Linux, only is a bit different. The colors are different. It's different. Built on Linux Mint is built on Ubuntu anyway. Running. I was restoring previously installed packages. We're still that much away from finishing. Restoring previously installed packages. Here we go. So, installation complete. You need to restart computer in order to use the new installation. So you go ahead and start. Ah, there we go. Right. So it's restarting. So it's booting up. Not to Linux. Ubuntu. So we're at the desktop now. So now what you do is type in your password. And now it should boot into your desktop now. So I enter desktop and it shows us keyboard shortcuts we can use. And it shows us what we got here. We got Firefox of course and LibreOffice and our app store, whatever they call it on Linux, and settings. So thanks for watching and watch for the next video.